What if I told you that moving Jupiter just 1 centimeter closer to Earth could unleash absolute chaos across our solar system? We're talking orbital collapse, gravitational mayhem, and potentially the end of life as we know it. And here's the terrifying part. 1 centimeter is about the width of your fingernail. Stay with me, because what happens next will blow your mind. Jupiter isn't just big, it's monstrously, incomprehensibly massive. We're talking about a planet so huge that it contains more than twice the mass of all other planets in our solar system combined. Right now, Jupiter sits about 588 million kilometers away from Earth at its closest point. But what if we nudged it? Just 1 tiny centimeter closer. Here's where things get wild. You might think 1 centimeter means nothing when we're talking about distances measured in millions of kilometers. And you'd be right, at first. Jupiter moving 1 centimeter closer wouldn't immediately destroy Earth. You wouldn't feel anything. The news wouldn't report it. Life would go on as normal. But here's the catch. If Jupiter moved just 1 centimeter closer today, it means something catastrophically powerful moved it. And that's the real problem. Jupiter doesn't just drift around. Its orbit is incredibly stable. For Jupiter to move even 1 centimeter out of its normal orbit, you'd need an absolutely massive force. We're talking about something like a rogue planet, a nearby star passing through our solar system, or some cosmic collision of unimaginable scale. Now, let's imagine Jupiter could magically shift 1 centimeter closer without any external force. Even this tiny change sets off a domino effect. Jupiter's gravity is so powerful that it acts like a cosmic shield for Earth, deflecting asteroids and comets that would otherwise slam into us. It also keeps the orbits of the inner planets stable. That 1 centimeter shift? It changes Jupiter's gravitational pull on everything around it. Mars feels it. Earth feels it. Even tiny Mercury, way closer to the Sun, would eventually feel the ripple effect. Over thousands or millions of years, these microscopic changes compound. Orbits that were perfectly balanced for billions of years start to wobble. Asteroid trajectories shift. The delicate dance of our solar system begins to fall out of sync. Fast forward a few million years. That 1 centimeter shift has cascaded into orbital chaos. Earth's orbit becomes less circular, more elliptical. Our seasons become extreme. Summers scorch the planet, winters plunge us into deep freezes. The asteroid belt, normally kept in check by Jupiter's gravity, starts sending rocks our way more frequently. And here's the nightmare scenario. Computer simulations show that even small changes in planetary orbits can lead to something called orbital resonance, where planets start gravitationally amplifying each other's wobbles. Eventually, planets could be ejected from the solar system entirely or crash into each other. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. Our solar system is so perfectly balanced that even the tiniest changes matter. Jupiter is exactly where it needs to be. That's not luck, it's billions of years of gravitational evolution finding the perfect equilibrium. The fact that life exists on Earth is partly thanks to Jupiter being precisely where it is, acting as our cosmic bodyguard. Move it 1 centimeter, 1 meter, or 1,000 kilometers closer, and you're gambling with that perfect balance. So the next time you look up at the night sky and spot Jupiter shining bright, remember, that giant planet is our silent protector, and it's doing its job perfectly by staying exactly where it is. Sometimes, the scariest what-if scenarios remind us how incredibly lucky we are. If this video made you think twice about our place in the cosmos, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending space facts. What cosmic scenario should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below.